Hello guys, welcome once again. In the last video I have showed you how to download your Jfreechart library and how to connect it with your netbeans software. Now today I will start my chart tutorials, Jfreechart tutorials from the pie chart. So today I will show you how to make a pie chart from your Jfreechart library. So suppose you want to make a chart in which you have a student and who scored some marks, and you want to show different marks as a pie chart components. So whenever you click your button, for example, you can be able to see the chart of the student. So I will name my button as pie chart, and whenever you click pie chart you will be able to see your pie chart in which the student subject scores you will be able to see. So just double click it and go to the action performed, or alternatively right click, go to event, action and action performed, and you will directly go to the action performed of your button. So go there and write our code. We have to write what? We have to define a data set for our pie chart which will hold our data. So we will write default pie data set. We will name it as pie data set, for example, is equal to new, this one, copy and paste it here, new data set, and like this. Okay, and if some error comes, right click and click fix import. So your error will go because it requires some libraries to be imported. So fix import, and after that write or copy your pie dataset and paste it here, dot set value, and in here you will write the name, whatever name you want to give. So I will give the name, for example, subject 1, and in the second part you have to write its value. So I will give its value, so what kind of data it is. So in our case we are going to insert integers in the form of marks, so I will write integer in the bracket, right? For example, I want to give a subject 1 10 score, so I have written that. And for example, I have 4 subjects, so I will copy this and paste it 3 more times. So I have 4 subjects, and I will change the name to 3 and 4, and I will also change the marks scored by him, 20, 30, 40. So you have to write this. After that write J Jfreechart, whatever, give name of your chart. I will give it the name chart, and then write chart factory. Okay, so Jfreechart chart is equal to chart factory dot, will see different kind of chart here. We want create pie chart, so we will click this create pie chart, and it will show different number of values in here. So Jfreechart chart is equal to chart factory dot create pie chart, and in the first bracket I will write the name of my pie chart. So I will write, for example, pie chart, and in the second place I will copy my pie chart data set, and instead of here I will write pie data set, and then in here instead of root pane check enable I will write true 3 times true, and then semicolon closed. And I think I have to import one more library, so I will click fix imports, and my library is imported. And then after that you have to write pie plot p or for example I want to see the pie chart in the 3D form, so I will write 3D p is equal to, in the bracket I write pie plot 3D, and after that write chart, which is this chart, dot get plot, and then semicolon. This is also showing error, maybe this will go after you have fixed your import, and then write p dot p is capital P dot set foreground, so you can set your foreground. I will set my foreground as default, whatever comes as default on the top, and I will write chart frame. I will name my frame as frame is equal to new chart frame, and in here bracket close, and I want to give the name of my frame, which is pie chart. For example, you can give any name and fix import once again, and after your name write here comma chart, So this chart you copy it here. Okay, after that you must write frame dot set visible in here true, which will show your frame, and you can also define your frame size. Frame dot set frame dot set size, and you can give the dimension. For example, I want to give 450 comma 500, so it will show 450 by 500 pie chart to me. So this is the code for the pie chart, and now let's try to run the program. And this is our pie chart button, and when I press this, my pie chart should appear. So I press it and nothing is happening. Let's see what is the mistake. So let's see the mistake I have done, whatever. So I think I have done the mistake here. I am creating the pie chart and I am declaring it here. I want to see the 3D pie chart. So for example, I want to see the simple pie chart, then I have to delete this thing, 3D delete here, from here and from here also, and I have to hide these p dot set foreground alpha, and I will right click and fix import once again, so this import will be fixed. So what I have done here is I deleted 3D from here and 3D from here, and I hide this code, and now I will run my program and let's see it runs or not. And when I run it, it will show my pie chart. Okay, and in the next tutorial I will show you how to make a 3D pie chart and how to show those values we have set. We cannot see the values here, only the subject. So I will show you how to do that. So please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.